Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We are at a place called Herrick Lake. It's in Wheaton, Illinois. I've been here years ago. There's a lot of good hiking trails here and hopefully some good off-trail photography spots. It's got this lake that goes around right here. It's actually quite nice right now. It's really early morning. It's like 7 o'clock right now. See some nice mist coming off that lake right now. It's just so quiet out here. Nice. Found some mushrooms. First shot of the day. Nice. That's pretty lucky. Nice little walking trail right here. Leads all the way around. Oh damn. Look at that spider. Yikes. Creepy. All these big spiders everywhere. Another one right there. I got a web on my finger. Another one right there. There. No thanks. I love the mist coming off the water. What a beautiful spot. I love the way the sun is just lighting up these trees right now. Absolutely gorgeous. It's pretty cool. What a nice little spot. I like that they have these rocks here that you can do this. Ooh, mosquitoes are out. I didn't think they were gonna be bad because it's so cool out. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's a woodpecker in the distance. There's something over there making noise. It's pretty. I like the softness of it and all the new growth. All right, I know there's a pond this way, so I think we're gonna try and go that way first. And then this goes all the way that way for a long time, so I'll probably end up going that way too. But I think I want to check this out first and check out the water. You know, I haven't been here in a long time. I could have sworn you could have gotten to a pond right there, but I'm not sure exactly how to get to it. I might be thinking of a different area. Getting some nice bokeh shots today. The light is really good right now. See some flowers in here. Let's see if I can find those. Nice, we got all these purple flowers. Holy shit, you can see the mosquitoes flying everywhere. All right, we're not gonna be in here long. I'm already getting attacked. Sometimes you think something's gonna look good. Whoa, look at that spider web. That is massive. I do not want to know what created that. As I'm crouching in its home. All right, I like that one. That was pretty. We're gonna call it there and get out of here. Man, these mosquitoes are pretty bad if you stop. Swarm in my face. I'm trying really hard not to spray myself. Oh, I'm getting chewed. Get out of here, mosquitoes. Oh, we found a good one, guys. Oh man, bro. Every time I take a picture, I'm getting chewed. This is crazy. These mosquitoes are so bad. I can literally feel them on my freaking arm everywhere. That's pretty cool. No, I'm just looking for mushroom shots. Alright guys, I just wanted to say thanks again for all your love and support for this channel. I started this journey like 4 or 5 years ago. Honestly, in the first couple of years, I didn't go as hard as I should have, and it's led me to here. For the last like 5 months, I've been able to push myself and be as creative as possible. Being able to share this experience with you guys and bring you along for the journey has been awesome. So thank you again for all your love and support. Can't wait to keep making videos and sharing this experience. I just love being out in nature, honestly, and being able to take photos, be creative, and just share that with everyone is awesome. I stumbled on my photography journey, honestly, through YouTube. So being able to give back to this community finally and share everything that I have learned and maybe help inspire others is definitely rewarding.
So nice, right?
I know, it's beautiful out, minus the mosquitoes. Morning. I would say that tree got struck by lightning. That's crazy. That whole tree was on fire at one point. Wow. It's pretty humbling. Lightning is pretty crazy. Man, these fucking mosquitoes, bro. Well, I think I have probably like 10 new mosquito bites on my forehead. I don't know if you guys can see them. I think a little squirrel knocked down a birdhouse thing. I just seen one on the floor and a squirrel on top of it. How's it going?